In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a white outline around an image in Adobe Express. This method uses a simple shape placed behind your photo to create a clean, even border that looks professional and helps your image pop against any background. First, upload your image and add it to your project. Open Adobe Express, start a new design or open an existing one, and bring your image onto the canvas. Once it's there, position it roughly where you want it to sit in the final layout. You don't have to be exact yet, but give yourself a little room around the edges, so you can see the outline once we create it. Next, click the plus add button, go to Elements and choose a basic shape. Pick a square if your image is square or a rectangle if your image is more landscape or portrait. Matching the aspect ratio is key here, because it ensures the white border will be even on all sides and won't look stretched or pinched. When you add the shape, it will appear on your canvas, usually in a default color. Change that shape's fill color to white. You can do this in the color controls, and you'll want a solid white so the effect is crisp and consistent. Think of this white shape as the background plate that will become your outline. Now resize the white shape so it's slightly larger than your image. Drag from the corners to keep the proportions intact, and aim for a comfortable margin just enough to read as a border without overwhelming the picture. You can always adjust the size later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Align the shape roughly behind where your image will sit. With the size set, move the shape behind your image by lowering it in the Layers panel. In your layers, grab the white shape and position it beneath the photo. As soon as it's behind, you'll see the border appear around your image. If it looks uneven, nudge the shape or the image slightly until the spacing feels balanced. Take a moment to compare the border thickness on all sides and tweak the shape's size if you want a subtler or bolder look. That's it. Thanks for watching.